Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here with another sketchbook video in room 611C at the School of Visual Arts. Today we are joined by Ray. Ray, how are you?
Good.
Awesome. And where are you from?
From China.
Wow, what city or what town?
Beijing, of the capital. Yeah.
Wow, very, very cool. And so why are you here at SVA? What's your dream job?
I pretend to be a director, I think. Yeah.
Very nice. So why don't we do this? Let's start flipping through this beautiful sketchbook. Your drawings are amazing. And yeah, you can start flipping. You can start flipping. So Ray's drawings are really, really light, but they're absolutely beautiful. So this is back in September, right?
Yeah, that's my first homework.
First homework of the torso peanut shape. Excellent. And angles and the rough skeleton, very good. And more of the torso. I like to call the torso, it kind of looks like a peanut to me. So those are beautiful. All right, awesome, awesome. And this is just you sketching, is this from your imagination or?
It's imagination and pictures of myself or somebody else. Yeah.
Very nice job. And what, go ahead, keep flipping. So what is your favorite pencil to draw with?
This blue pencil, I think.
Oh, really? And is it a mechanical pencil?
No, it's just a pencil.
Okay, it's gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. And so I asked you this question before. What are you gonna do with all of this beautiful talent when you're a director?
That's a hard one.
That's a, okay.
I
love your honesty. Okay, very good. Because you draw beautifully. These are really delicate and beautiful. How long have you been drawing the figure before you came to SVA?
I think 3 or 2 years. It's not too long, but yeah. And this is my family picture. Yeah.
Nice. That, you know, just that's tiny. That is so tiny. Okay, kind of looks like the teacher's drawing in your sketchbook a little bit.
After this pages, can change a little bit to more harder or yeah.
Yes. I see. So you're starting to press down a little bit harder on the pencil.
Yeah, and to be more flexible with them.
Yes. Wow. How many hours a day do you usually spend in your sketchbook?
Actually 1 hour or maybe half hour, I think.
Okay.
Just 1 or 2 pages.
Very nice. Very nice.
And more harder.
Yes, okay.
See the value of there.
Yeah, my camera's freaking out here today, but wow, I love that. So a little bit more pressure on the pencil. Very nice. Wonderful. And so this year, your first semester here at the School of Visual Arts, how was it? Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's fun, but hard for me.
A lot of hard work?
Yeah.
And waking up in the morning?
Yeah, every day, 9 a.m.
Yes. All right. Wow. I like that you've transformed and you're experimenting with pressing down hard and using all of the values now. Wow.
And I'm trying to be more messier.
Messier. I love that. Not trying to be so perfect.
Yeah.
And what was your biggest inspiration before you came here to SVA? Wow.
I don't know.
Was it a movie that inspired you or?
No, just, I don't know.
Okay.
Just come to or learn something.
I see. Wow. I love that you're doing the traditional and then the fun cartoony anime. That's a gorgeous page. My God. Oh my God. This is also very nice. Whoa.
To try the pen stuff.
Yes. And oh, this is another one of my favorite pages. I love the way that you drew that face. That is so cool. And is this easy for you? Like, You just sit down and draw and like no problem?
I think yes. I would say yes.
Okay. We all hate you. Absolutely. We have to struggle. Absolutely. Wow. Very, very nice. And out of my class, what was the one thing that your key takeaway of what I taught?
Draw like a monster or something.
Draw like a monster. I love that. So basically for everybody on YouTube, that means draw for the waste paper basket. That's like a writer's term where you just don't care and you're a little bit more messy and you stop this trying to be perfect thing and you just be a monster and you draw like a monster. And so I love that because, you know, I like your style in the beginning also where it was very delicate and very light. So you don't want to lose that, but I like that you're bringing in the messiness quality to it as well.
Yeah.
Wow. Lovely. Gorgeous with the way that you draw hands. Really nice job. And so what, wow, that's the how to draw fabric. Very nice, very nice. How long does something like that take you?
We'll take half or hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah.
And for the winter break, are you gonna go home to China?
Yes.
Wow, that's exciting. And what is the first food you're gonna eat? And please do not say McDonald's.
Probably. It's called youtiao. It's a traditional Chinese.
Nice, okay. Very nice. That's not on the value meal, I guess.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite pages.
Yeah.
Of photo sketchbook.
Very nice. Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I try to draw my friends.
Yes.
And this one.
So, wow. I can see you really loosening up.
Yeah.
Really awesome, experimenting a little bit there. Nice, the fabric is beautiful.
Some sketches just warm up for me. So
Yes.
it's fast.
Mm-hmm. So a lot of warm up, a lot of practice in the sketchbook.
And trying the fabric. I
Yes.
also like to do it in my leg.
Your leg,
In my
okay.
leg.
Awesome. Nice. And how are you doing with all of your homework? Are you going to finish? Or did you finish with the animation class?
Yeah. Alright.
It was tough, right?
Yes, it's busy.
Beautiful hands. Excellent.
And more fabric.
You like drawing fabric?
Yes.
This
And
is
the
great.
fish eye.
Oh yeah, you're really good at that. Some anatomy. So we're definitely into late November, early December now.
Yeah.
And these are just wonderful. You definitely have a style. It's really beautiful. More messy. Love it.
Yeah. And that's one of my friends, like, we're whole photo pictures.
Nice. Nice. Awesome. When is your flight to go home?
Tomorrow.
Wow. And how long is the flight?
It will take 16 hours, I think.
16 hours. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
That's hard for my butt.
That's hard for your butt. Absolutely it is. Sitting on that chair. Hopefully no like 5-year-old screaming kid sits next to you. That would be death for me.
Yeah.
I would open up the plane door and I would jump out, no doubt about it. Wow. And so you're drawing the figure from class in your sketchbook just to fill pages?
Yeah.
And how did you like the field trip at the Metropolitan Museum of Art?
That's great. I saw a lot of like birds or animals.
Yes, they've got a lot of dead birds there. Absolutely they do. Wow, this is nice stuff. I really like these
Yes,
pages.
I like these pages too.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
In another class.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Good, good, good. I think in your next sketchbook you should try more color.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I bought a new pen to try it.
Excellent.
And falling pages on the class.
Mm. Excellent.
The last two parts.
Mm. Some more exercises, short duration exercises.
Yeah. And for I forgot the name.
Yeah, the
Torso
angles,
stuff.
you know, rough skeleton.
Yeah.
But I just like that you're not outlining. Some anatomy.
Yeah.
I know that probably was not your favorite, but I appreciate it. It's very important.
It's so hard.
Yeah, it's just concentration.
You know, I've drawn that before. The figures I just drew.
Yes, yes.
And to draw it again.
Wow, this is all at the Museum of Natural
Yeah, that's
History.
crazy.
They have so much to draw there. It's crazy. If you ever get to New York, you got to go there. Bring your sketchbook. It's fun.
So
No.
I done a lot of bones.
Yes.
Like the monkeys or apes. Yeah. And, yeah.
Wow. Good stuff. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, excellent.
And this Itong.
Beautiful.
And Moma.
Awesome. All right. You did a lot on the field trip. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And some let me see. And the new pages. The few pages. That's my original character.
Really?
Yeah.
So those are your original characters. Okay. And then you're giving the sketchbook the finger. Like, you're done, buddy.
For me.
Yes, yes. Wow. That's a beautiful page. My God. Gorgeous. All right.
And
Cool. That looks like the teacher's stuff.
yeah, teacher stuff. You're just drawing on my sketchbook, so I just keep that.
Awesome. Well, don't show that to anybody. They're going to say, that's what your teacher draws? You got to leave that class now.
And the last pages.
All right. Well, Ray, thank you so much for sharing your sketchbook on YouTube. We'll put your social media underneath the show notes there. So thank you so much and have a good trip back to China.
See ya.
All right, all right. All right, everybody, I am sweating my guns off here, and it is so hot, I gotta put the AC on. Plus, I was just walking before I got here. So thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely start subscribing, and I'll talk to you soon.